I am currently parked on a massive waste rock pile. Got that one up there too, and that's where I'm heading. That does not go down very far. It's a slight incline. What I think they were doing was that right there is an old platform. So that you know, this is a gold, silver, lead mine that was discovered in about 1898. And there's supposed to be a tunnel right there. But the later mine company filled it in, or the waste rock filled it in. And I think that was their attempt to try to get into it. But because of the activity above, it kind of ruined the main tunnel. Nice little platform there. There is a collapsed building there. You probably can see it, and it's the big metal thing is the stove. I have not checked out the tunnels above. So these will be a surprise to me too. Does not look promising. I would need assistance getting out. Let me see here. And if I did that, yeah, I would need some type of rope or something to help me out. There's really no place to grip. Where to tie off? Well, nope. I want to get down in there. Ooh, that is rotten portal. Actually, Let's see here. Yeah, my only concern really is climbing back out. So if I loosen this up, I mean, I could go down to my truck and get some webbing. But then I still have the issue. That looks like the ore that they would have been going after. Cool. Oh no, get back up here. All right, go down there. I don't care. Okay. I think I cleared out enough. All right. I think I've cleared out enough. Yeah. I'm not worried about, about the dust, guys, but I'm not worried about the fit. I'm worried about this. Because when I get up here, I can't touch any of this. Oh yeah, that's gonna be fun getting out of. That's okay. Lizard. Oh. All of that work and it's completely caved in. Ah, darn it. Hey, you okay? I know this is cold in here. Come on, dude. Come with me. Go on. There you go. I think he fell in. Careful, dude. No. I guess he wants to stay in there. He thinks I'm going to eat him. Oh, there he is. He's back. Are you laughing at me? Huh? Oh no, that's a different one. He's smaller. Huh. Whoa. Let me dig my camera. Stay. All right, guys, I gotta put you down. Oh yeah. Yeah, That's what I thought. The hole's bigger. Oh. Oh, that was fun. Yeah, that would have been a lot easier, even with some cordylite, which is 7mm utility cord. Whew. Well, might as well head on up. I'm going to catch my breath. I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Oh, same thing. I don't have another one in me for that type of climb out. But since the very bottom one is filled over by the waste rock, the one by the road is collapsed. This one's what collapsed. So is that one. I'm assuming they're all collapsed. Oh, what a bummer. And on that shocking disappointment, I'm calling it the end of today's video. So if you decided to do some exploring on your own, do it. Have fun. Be safe, and I'll definitely catch you guys in the next one. As I almost fall down the mountain.